In this video, I want to share with you how much my $7,000 dividend stock portfolio paid me in dividends in September 2024. This table contains 18 different dividend-paying stocks that I own as of today, the average cost per share of each dividend stock, the number of shares that I own, and the total investment, which is just average cost multiplied by number of shares. The companies in white color didn't have any dividend payments in September. Only the companies in green colors issued dividends in September. So let's calculate my September dividend payments one by one. The first company on my list is BP, and they paid 48 cents for each share that investors own. So let's take 48 cents and multiply it by 10 shares that I own. So BP paid me $4.80 in dividends in September. The second company is Johnson & Johnson, and they had a dividend payment of $1.24 for each share, and since I only have one share, I was paid $1.24. 3M Corporation issued a dividend payment of 70 cents per each share, and since I own two shares, I received $1.40. PepsiCo had a dividend payment of $1.36 per share, and since I only have one share, I was paid $1.36. Pfizer paid 42 cents for each share, so let's multiply 42 cents by 10 shares that I own, which is $4.20. Stanley Black & Decker paid 82 cents, so let's multiply 0.82 by 11 shares, which is $9.02. Tyson Foods paid 49 cents per share, so 49 by 4 shares, which is $1.96. And finally, UPS, they had a dividend payment of $1.63 per share. And at the time of their payment, I only had 8 shares compared to 10 listed here. So let's multiply it by 8 and we get $13.04 from UPS. So overall, I got paid $37.02 in dividends from my $7,000 portfolio. And if we look at this table, which lists my dividend payments by month, we can see that September has been my highest paying month so far. But that's not very surprising, just because I keep investing $1,000 of my own money each month into the account, so we can expect the dividend payments to continue growing each month going forward. And overall, since starting my new dividend stock portfolio in March of this year with just $1,000, I was able to get $80 in dividend payments year to date. This shows that you can also start small, and as long as you continue making contributions to your account, you'll continue increasing your dividend earnings as well. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.